Hello students, welcome to our class. Now let me show you this first. What we are going to do today? Today we are going to do activity. Now here I am also going to do the activity with you. And what your page number 9. It's written page number 9 from the book Grammar. So today no study, only playing. Okay. So page number 9 from the grammar book. You can pause the video, get the book ready. Now here what they are saying, work in pair. When your partner says start, in your mind start saying the letter of the English alphabets A to I. And if you remember, you have played this game, name, place, animal, thing. But here just we are going to write animal, place and thing. So what you or I have is this. Can you see a bowl? In this I have written some letters. So one by one I am going to pick out the chips one by one. I am also going to play with you. Okay. I am going to pick the chips and what I am going to show you the letter. And then what you have to do, you will be pausing the video and you have to write, you have to fill these blocks for this letter. And then you are going to play the video again and you will say that what answers I am writing. But don't cheat, this is an activity you are doing right now only. But as I say, you have to follow that rule. Now from this, let me see which is the letter that is coming out. This. And it is E. E. Now here, what you have to do, I hope you are following this rule. This letter is E. I am going to write the letter E. Now you can pause the video and fill animal from E, place from E and thing from E. From E, the animal is elephant. Place E, England. And thing I can write egg. Make sure you are going to again see this video, continue the video once you have filled this line with E. Okay. Now let's see the next. Again here I am writing. Here let us pick this. Okay. Let's see which letter is here. O. P for pen. Sorry, P. Letter P. Again you have to pause the video, fill this and then check my answers. Okay. Now P, animal. Parrot. It can be birds or animals. Okay. Parrot. P se place Pune. T, thing, pan. PAN. Okay. Your answers may differ from this. It's okay. Now the next. Let's see from here. You can also do, you can tell your mama or papa or brother sister to say the letters in mind. You can stop them and you can ask that on which letter did he or she stop. If he says that letters, write here and then you can complete this also. Okay. Here the letter is S. Okay. So again I am writing here S and you have to pause the video, complete this line and then see mine. Okay. From S, animal, snake. From S, place, Singapore. Surat, it can be anything. Singapore. PORE. And from S, thing, slate. Okay. Next. Let's see. You can also do one thing. Write all the letters A to Z in a bowl and then pick the chips and you can complete this exercise. Okay. Not compulsory. What it is? D. So, D. Again you have to pause the video, write the answer, trigger your mind and complete this. D. Animal, dog. D. Place. It can be Dehradun. D, thing, drum. Okay. Next. Today no studying, only we are playing games. Okay. Here. Let me see which letter is coming out. Letter C. So, I am writing here C. What you have to do? Pause the video, write from C, animal, place, thing, and then see my answer. From C, animal, it can be cat. C, place, it can be Calcutta. Calcutta. From C, thing, cot, C-O-T, cot. Okay, next. Again, see which letter is coming out. We are going to play with 10 letters, okay? Here it's coming out. F. Okay, so write here F. From F, animal, fox. An animal. From F, place, France. From F, thing, it can be fan. It will be not capital, it will be small, fan. Let's see the next. Here is coming the next letter. P. Before I am writing here B. First thing you have to do is pause the video, write your answers, and then see mine. I am also playing with you. From B, animal, it can be B, you can write B, double E, B. From B, place, Bangalore. From B, thing, bat. And the next letter. And it's M. Write here M. And you have to pause the video, complete this, and then see mine. M, animal, monkey. M, place, Mumbai. M, thing, mat. Yes? Next. 2 are left, 8 are done. Okay? We are going to play with the 10 letters I said you. Now here, first letter of the alphabet, A. Now what you are going to do, you know that? Pause the video, write the answers, and then see mine. So A animal, ant, alligator, and you can write anything, okay? A, place, Australia. A, thing, apple. A will be small, apple. And here goes your last. Next letter, K. K. From K, animal, kangaroo. From K, place, Kerala. And from K, thing, kite. So we have played with 10 letters. Anyhow you can play, but complete this activity. If you can do, if you can have a bowl with 6 letters, and you can pick one and you can again write this, or you can do what I have done with, if you are doing with me. Anyhow, so students, I hope you enjoyed this activity. Now let me give you your homework. same book. That means book grammar. Revision of nouns. Here we end our noun chapter. Now we have covered what? Common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Common noun, it can be in general, place, animal, thing and person. You don't know about whom you are talking. But for proper, I know about whom I am talking, which place I am talking. So it's proper, particular. And then collective, it's a group of nouns. For example, if you find lots of ants together, ants, you will say colony of ants. Okay, so now here goes your assignment. It's revision. Here you have to write homework. You have to write homework. I'll show you again on the board what's your assignment. So, what kind of nouns are the words in the bold? Now, in this line, which is the bold word? It's chair. So, chair is a proper or common noun you have to tick. A bunch of bananas. It's a collective noun or proper noun. Prasad. It's a proper or common. A team of players. It's a proper or collective noun. Mumbai. It's a common or proper noun. A tree. Proper or common noun. Flock of birds. So it's a flock is proper or flock is a collective noun. The India Gate. It's a proper noun or common noun. This you have to tick. You have to do both I and J also. I, circle the odd one out. For example, I'll just explain you. Priya, Renu, Mansoor, John and person. From here, I can see that all these are particular person. So proper noun. Only person is a common noun. So this is odd one. I am going to circle person. In the same way you are going to do for second, third, fourth and fifth. Circle the odd one. And the last, who am I? Identify these people. Write the correct common nouns from the box in the blanks. Now see, options has been given to you and questions are, I teach school children. So who am I? I am a teacher. In the same way you have to complete the remaining 4 also. I'll show you on the board. I'll show you assignment. So your assignment goes here as follow. From the book Grammar. From the book Grammar, chapter 1. Chapter 1 and it's noun. You have to do page 10 and 11. Pages 10 and 11. Which questions? Questions H, I, J. H, I, J. You can see nicely, students. This is your homework. This is your practice work. Okay? It's a revision of nouns. And here we complete our nouns chapter topic also. Now students, I hope you understood that how to send the assignments on Google Classroom. So please start sending on that only, that is Google Classroom app. And if you have any queries, I said you can call me, but you have to send on Google Classroom app only. And here we end our class. And don't forget my classroom rule, that is speak in English.